I'm 2 miles away from home. I'm on the ground in the worst pain of my entire life. Like, I've never felt this before. And I've got 20 minutes before the sun goes down. I need to get home because I'm a woman. I have no weapons on me. And I'm on the side of the road. Like, there's big trees on one side and, like, off in the distance on the other side of homes. So I don't know what's in those trees. I don't know what's out here. So I need to get home. But I am fighting demons. I was out for my normal run. I would go running in the morning time, but this time I was running a little bit later because I had a busy morning and I couldn't get around to it. But when I did have the time, which was like right before the sun went down, I was like, okay, I'm gonna knock it out. I was going harder than usual because I need to go ahead and rush and get it done. But that resulted in me having like this horrible stitch in my side that every single time I took a step, it felt like a knife was jabbing into me. So I fell down on the ground and was just laying there, sweat dripping off of me, knowing I need to get home. But the pain was just insurmountable. And as I was laying there, I was thinking, okay, well, I'm really in pain either way. Like, if I stay here, I'm still going to be in pain, but I'm going to be on the side of the road, scared, alone, vulnerable to the outside forces. You know how crazy this world can be. Black women be getting kidnapped. I can be outside in pain, or I can get up and walk home in pain. And then when I get home, I can lay on my couch in pain. And at least then I'll be comfortable. I won't feel scared because at least I'll be in the safety of my home. And when I thought about that, I realized, okay, well, either way, I'm going to be in pain. So let me just get up and start walking. So I get up and I take a step, and it was a hard step to take. And I fell down to my knee like, oh my God, I can't do this. But it dawned on me, like, I have to though. Like, it's going to be painful. No matter what I do, it's going to be painful. But if I don't move, I'm going to be in a situation I don't want to be in. And once I accepted that, I started walking. And I gritted my teeth and I held my side and I dealt with the pain. And that was a long walk back. And I made it. I got back to the park right when it got dark. But that was better than being like 2 miles on this long road. You know, it was a lot better than being in that situation. So I wasn't hurt about it. But that walk was really painful. But it taught me something that I still treasure to this day. It taught me that there's two types of pains that you can face in this life. One pain will keep you in the same spot. The other pain will take you somewhere better. But regardless, you will feel pain. So for example, I like to think about the pain of waking up early. It is 6:14 a.m. I got up at 5 a.m. And it was hard for me to get out of bed this morning because I went to bed late. And the pain, if I stayed in and slept in, I would have dealt with the pain of waking up and thinking, oh my God, I just wasted 2-3 hours. I'm used to getting up at 5. I would have been hurt by that, and I would have been behind on the schedule I have of recording videos, getting them uploaded, going through them. Like, I have a whole, like, daily thing I do. Like, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm doing research on titles. Thursday, I'm recording videos. Friday, I have a coaching call, and I'm working on thumbnails. Like, there's a whole strategy behind what I do. And if I hadn't shown up today to record these videos, I would have been behind, and that would have been more painful. And it wouldn't have worked. Like, it would have just been a headache. But I decided I'm going to deal with this pain of, like, getting out of bed. And so I dealt with the pain. But now I'm in a situation where I'm doing the work that needs to get done. And even though I'm maybe a little groggy, it's getting done. So that's going to set me up for success later on. Because now tomorrow, I won't have to worry, like, oh my God, I didn't get a video. It's time I'm going to get that. And then get these thumbnails and then do this, that, and third. No, it's already done. You feel me? Or you can think about the pain of going to the gym versus skipping it. When you go to the gym, you know you're going to be in pain. Like, you're working out. It doesn't feel good. But throughout the pain, when you finish, you're stronger. And you keep going, keep going, keep going, you get stronger and stronger. You see it in your body, you feel it in your mentality and in your spirit. But let's say you skip the going to the gym. You don't go to the gym. You just have fun. You're eating whatever you want. You don't take care of your health. What do you think you're going to be like in 5-6 months? Your health is going to be deteriorated. Not even months, but like in 2 years. You'll be fat. You'll be in pain then. You'll be suffering because you can't get up without feeling pain in your knees because of the body weight you put on. So no matter what, you're going to feel pain. That's just the basic fundamental that I want you to understand. So right now, are you living a life you're happy by? And if you're not living a life you're happy by, then that must mean you're picking a pain that's going to make your life worse. But now you understand that you can pick a different type of pain. And I want to give this to you. Pick the pain that make your life better. Because I promise you, if you don't, literally look around at the world. Look around at the people, the average person you see, and question, are they really happy? Or are they mindlessly entertaining themselves, escaping from the stressful day they had, where they didn't have any purpose, and they just went to work for someone else, and they feel empty? They don't learn anymore, they don't grow, they're stagnant, and they reach the end of their lives with regret because they never did what they wanted to do, and they realize they wasted their time. Do you understand how painful that's going to be? Do you want to go through that? Because that's the last thing I want to go through, and you don't deserve that either. So please, you know what the pain is that you got to pick that'll make your life better. Start picking it. And if you need help getting started, if you need help staying on the path, if you need help to just grow in general, I have a starter kit that will help you get your life together in my description. It's the first thing. You can get it if you need it. If you don't need it, don't worry. This message alone will help you. You have got this. You have greatness inside of you. And if no one's told you that, I'm telling you that right now. That's why I make these videos, to find you and wake up that dog in you. That you can achieve so much more. You don't have to live this life. Let the majority live a lifestyle they're not happy by. But you are the chosen one. You are greatness. And you will do great things once you accept the pain that comes with greatness. But understand this. There is pain that comes with being average. And no one wants to be average, but everyone wants to be great. So you know what to do. You know what to do. I'll see you for the next video.